Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting prerequisites out of the way. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, on the same Wi-Fi network, and signed into iCloud so pairing can sync settings. Place the Apple Watch on its charger and confirm at least 50% battery so the update won't fail. Open the Watch app and tap Pair New Watch. This starts the camera pairing animation and exchanges secure keys. Once done, keep both devices close to maintain Bluetooth. That ensures a stable, authenticated connection for the update. You'll choose whether to restore from a backup or set up as new. Restoring preserves apps and settings and speeds the process. When the Watch app detects a Watch OS update, it will prompt Install. Tap it to download the update to your iPhone first, then transfer and install on the Watch. Make sure both devices remain on chargers and within a few feet. This avoids Bluetooth dropouts. While transferring, your phone shows progress, so you can watch for any prompts needing permission. You finish by waiting for the Watch to restart and perform a final sync. This can take several minutes as apps reappear and health data reconciles. Once the Watch boots, verify the Watch OS version in Settings, right arrow General, right arrow About, and re-enable Apple Pay or other credentials if they didn't transfer. If the update stalls, restart both devices and retry the sequence. If Wi-Fi limits are the issue, make the iPhone a hotspot temporarily and rerun the install. That resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.